We want to mahalo Alex for Alex Kawakami for sharing some music with all of you. Well, by ways of introduction, we call ourselves Dane. That's Ekolu Chang, all the way back from Japan. Hey. He went to the barber and the hairdresser over there. Yeah. In the middle here is Grant Kono on ukulele.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
My name is Dane Fujiwara. Sit back, relax. We're gonna be here for a little bit of more till about the 7 o'clock hour. So if you have to go grab something from bubble tea or what is that, coffee bean over there, or if you want to go get some of your Christmas shopping, you can go quickly do that. But if not, sit back, relax. We'll share with you some Mele Hawaiʻi and some Mele Kaliki Manga goes something like this. How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to spend the holidays away across the sea? How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to hang a stocking from a great big coconut tree? How'd you like to stay out late like the islanders do? Wait for Santa to sail in with your presents in a canoe. If you've ever spent Christmas on Christmas Island, then you will never stray, for every day of Christmas dreams come true. And you will never stray, for every day of Christmas dreams come true. How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to spend the holidays away across the sea? How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to hang from a great big coconut tree? How'd you like to stay out late like the islanders do? Wait for Santa to sail in with your presents in a canoe. If you ever spend Christmas on Christmas Island, then you will never stray, for every day of Christmas dreams come true. Then you will never stray, for every day of Christmas dreams come true. Here comes Santa in a red canoe, paddling on a magic sea of blue. Lovely Merry Christmas to you. Here comes Santa in a red canoe, and now he's coming, got his eyes on you. Jolly old Santa with a heart so true, with a winky winky smile, we're happy in the aisle. Here comes Santa in a red canoe, it's Christmas in Aloha Land, on the sunny beaches white as snow. And all the children understand that Santa Claus is on the go, 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 go. Here comes Santa in a red canoe, paddling on a magic sea of blue. With a lovely, lovely Merry Christmas to you. Here comes Santa in a red canoe. Here comes Santa in a red canoe, paddling on a magic sea of blue. With a stocking full of joy for every girl and boy. Here comes Santa in a red canoe, and now he's coming, got his eyes on you. Jolly old Santa with a heart so true, with a winky winky smile, we're happy all the aisle. Here comes Santa in a red canoe, it's Christmas in Aloha Land, on the sunny beaches white as snow. And all the children understand Santa Claus is on the go, 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 go. Here comes Santa in a red canoe, paddling on a magic sea of blue. With a lovely, lovely Merry Christmas to you. Here comes Santa in a red canoe. Here comes Santa in a red canoe. Just the night before Christmas, when I was home, singing, dancing, hope among the lights. Mama and I drinking like honey, way up our home. Sits together, flowers for the day. For the rest of the day. Soon the music boys begin to play. Mele, oh, they Ekolu, with plenty of kakao, opihi and salad, steaming hot lava. We ate and talked story until we were part. It was really my cup, we had a Christmas luau. The night before Christmas and all through the holiday, singing and dancing and ho'o mali mali. Mama and her moo, Papa and his mama, greeting I tane, pehea mahalo. Sister gathered flowers for a lay, brother watched the eagle all through the day. Soon the music boys began to play, Mele o the new Hawaiʻi. The tables were loaded with plenty of kakao, opihi and salmon, and steaming hot lava. We ate and talked story until we were power. It was really my he had a Christmas luau. It was really my he had a Christmas luau. Once again, all of our judges down here. It's a beautiful, self-show like you can see on work.